types of plastics, and these are the thermoplastics and the thermosetting plastics. Basically, as I have discussed in my previous lectures also, like plastic is basically a synthetic material which can be remolded into any shape. You can get the plastics in any shape, any size and any color. So basically there are two major types of plastics. One is thermoplastic and the other is thermosetting plastics. So let us discuss the difference between these two. Basically when we have the thermoplastics, they can be remolded. So the first point is they can be remolded or reheated. So when they are remolded, you can get another shape on heating. That means, for example, we have toys. So toys are obtained in numerous shapes. So they come into the category of the thermoplastics. Basically those types of plastics which can be remolded into any shape on heating. So they become the thermoplastics. Because they can be remolded, so they are also known as the reversible plastics. Like for example, if we have thermosetting plastics, you cannot remold them. They are not remolded. If you apply heat to these plastics, they will not change their shape. Hence, they are permanent, or we can say they are irreversible. Irreversible and permanent. These are temporary. Whenever you supply heat to these plastics, they will change their shape. The next important difference between these two plastics is that because they are temporary in nature, that means they have no cross linkages. They have no cross linkages. That means this is known as an example of cross linkages. It is not present in thermoplastics. Whereas in thermosetting, these types of molecules, that means these types of polymers, have cross linkages. Somewhat like this. Because there are cross linkages, this makes this type of plastic permanent. So if there is no cross linkages, they are reversible, and if they have cross linkages, they become the permanent plastics. The third important example is the examples. Basically, thermoplastics include all those examples like we have LDPE. It is actually low density polyethylene. Or we have HDPE, high density polyethylene. Or we have PVC, polyvinyl chloride, or maybe even PP, that is polypropylene. So all these examples come under the category of thermoplastics. Each of these has a separate use. I have discussed each of these use in my other lecture also. You must view that lecture. Basically, thermosetting plastics, we have bakelite. Bakelite is used in electrical switches, and we have Teflon. Teflon is used as the anti-stick or the we can say the non-stick coating on the vessels. So these two come in the category of thermosettings, and we have LDPE or HDPE which come in the category of thermoplastics. This was everything about the difference between the plastics, thermosetting and thermoplastics. First difference we have discussed is that they are reversible. They are irreversible. Because they are reversible, because they don't have any cross linkages, hence they are known as reversible, and they have linkages, that means they have cross linkages, which makes them the permanent plastics. And then we have discussed the examples. This was everything about the types of plastics.